Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can write golden notes on your Instagram. So for that, first of all go to your Play Store and update your Instagram if you have not updated it. So first of all update your Instagram, then just open your Instagram account. At the top right side you can see the option called there is a messenger option or message option. Just click on this message option, and here at the top you can see with your profile picture is an option called notes. Just click on this. First of all I will delete this. Here you can see now the option called note. Just click on this note. Now there is a few words that you can use and it will be written as a gold. Now one of the like victory, gold medal, medal, emoji medal, so such a word will be written as a golden word. So I will write this: congratulations for victory winning. So I will click on, just click on this share option, and here you can see you are not written as a golden words. So this is the way you can write these words like medal, winning, victory, and these words will be written as a golden notes on your Instagram.